Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant, and I've got something really exciting to share with you today. But before we go any further, subscribe to my channel so you can get any notifications of any videos I bring out in the future. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, put a comment in the box. Okay guys, before we go any further, I've got an extra special bonus for you today, and I'll announce this after the video, at the end of this video. Okay, I can tell you where you can get free traffic. Alright, okay, so today I want to talk to you about our automatic marketing with the affiliate link blaster. This is 100% real, and you can do your promotions on autopilot. Okay, so you can get over 1 million exposures of your affiliate ad guaranteed. Your ad is blasted by email for 1 full year to 18 top traffic sites, and you could change your ad at any time. That's what's absolute fabulous about this. You can change it at any time you like. So if your URL, you want to change your URL, you can change it. Okay, if you want to change it, say if your ad went down or something like that, they stopped doing it, you can change your ad. Okay, no problem, no charge as well to change it, which is absolutely fantastic. So with your affiliate link blaster account, you'll get a detailed data tracking of your traffic, including source, views and clicks, and email blast dates. Alright, confirmation emails are sent to you when your ad is blasted out to the 18 traffic membership sites. The members at our traffic sites have agreed to receive these emails with your offers on, so it captivates the audience eyeballing your ads. Alright, you also get a weekly summary traffic report. Got my words muddled up there. Remember, your ads will be e-blasted for a full year, and you can change these ads at any time. If your affiliate program changes, no worries, just change your ad and keep enjoying the traffic all year long, guys. Okay, every affiliate marketer can benefit from this. It has a massive exposure, like I said, over 1 million plus. So if you want more leads, more sign-ups, more sales, you need this affiliate link blaster. Okay, so where do I get this affiliate link blaster, Dave? Click this link below this video, guys. Okay, as an extra special bonus to you all, I'm going to guarantee you can get 50,000 guaranteed visitors on top of this to any website you like. No strings attached, no charge, no PayPal, no credit card. Okay, so to collect both these offers, you need to click the link below this video, guys. I'm not sure how long I can keep the bonus offer going for. Alright, but 50,000 visitors, not to be sneezed at for any affiliate marketer, is it? So to claim both the offers, click that link below, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you want any more videos like this, so you get notifications. So subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that link to get your extra 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, guys. Okay, for now, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.